Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I'm underneath a Grand Design Reflection, and what I wanted to comment on was these bars here, right? So if you haven't checked these out, there's several different companies that makes like a Cross Brace, a X Brace, JT Strong Arms. There's a bunch of different names for them, but basically these guys get bolted onto the leg. In this example, they get pinned through the bottom, and they rotate, and then they have holes in the pipes to pin them. So when the legs are down and those are tightened and pinned, it basically creates a strength between the two legs. So a lot of times you'll see them move and walk very easily. If you're bouncing around inside and out of the coach, you'll see them shake the whole coach, or if you're getting up in the middle of the night and the whole trailer is doing this number. Check out, I'll try to get some links put in there, but there's a bunch of brands. These make a huge difference. The only other issue, or the only other thing is that they make like I said, the JT Strong Arm kits, they make one that goes this way. So it pins up here to the frame and comes down and attaches. That keeps all the forward movement down, and these keep all the side movement down. So, all right, well, thanks so much for watching.